Hi guys, this is Mz.Shortcake and I want to show you a couple of projects I've been doing with napkins actually. So if you don't follow Chiquita Crochets on YouTube and on Instagram, she's Chiquis Blanquita. I will link everything down below. She had a challenge. It's a hashtag actually. It's called Decoupage with Chiquita 2022. So she has on there a whole bunch of ideas on what you can do with napkins. I also came across a video from Treasure Books on YouTube, DIY Fox Rice Paper. And I love that video. So I'm going to show you what I did and what I've done. So what you will need is a non-stick, whatever area, or you could use a wax like the cereal bag, open it up. You could use the silicone mat also, and I'll show you. You will need some type of glue. I bought this one at the 99-cent store. They had it there. I bought a few bottles and actually I like this glue. And just mix it with some water. And I use the little applesauce. I always have applesauce because we give it to grandma or the kids. They're adults, but so this is where I do the mixing, and then I use the #1 big old brush from Artist Loft. Hopefully you can see it. And coffee, instant coffee actually, or maybe you could use the other one, but I know instant coffee works a lot better. So what you do is just eyeball it, really, I'll be honest. I just pour it in, put some water. If your coffee is already with water, of course, done, then you don't need to add more water. What I did is I did it regular, just the water and the glue. And then halfway with my second project, I'm like, I don't want to throw some coffee. So I threw the coffee, the instant coffee. And then I just had to, really well mix it well, really nice. So it does work both ways. And no, it does not need to be hot coffee. So let me show you. So I used also mixed media paper, which is sturdy, nice and beautiful. And I got these napkins at Tuesday morning. Aren't they lovely? I have a whole bunch, so if anybody wants some or wants me to mail them, let me know. I don't have a problem. So I did that one, and this is where I decided to add the coffee to it. And it gives it that antique look. Really pretty. And of course you will like, I don't mind the little, crinkles on this. This is really nice. And then I used another napkin to do this one. So with this one, I lightened up the mixture. I added more glue and more water just so it wouldn't be so dark. After I did another project when it was dark. So this is really pretty. I was able to cover the whole, and I just tore off the rest, so you can use that for something else. Now here's the rice paper. So what you do is you put glue at the bottom first, then you put your napkin on top, and then glue again and let it dry. It is so hot here in Cali that I just took it outside and it dried up really quick. So this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's transparent. You can use it as glassing bag. Kind of sounds like the wax bags from your cereal. And it's really nice. I mean, she tests it on there that if you go see Treasure Books video where she puts it in book. She has one that's like 5 years old. It doesn't become sticky or anything like that on your pages. And then I did this one. So this one I added, what you will know is one side is matte and the other side is glossy. The glossy side is what's actually on the non-stick surface. But what this napkin looks like, this is what the napkin looks like, this one. It's really pretty. It's a little cocktail one. So that's what that looks like. And then you just take off the 2 layers if yours has 2 layers. And then I lightened this one up because that one was too dark to be, because I didn't want it to lose the butterflies. But you can turn these into glassing bags, into pages, backgrounds. The possibilities are a lot. And then my next project will be this one. So I already took off The thing is, in order for it to be translucent, the background has to be more of a white. So with white ones, I've noticed that you get a better background for these fake rice paper. So I hope if you have any questions, please let me know. This is so fun. And yes, I'm still working on Easter stuff. I have a swap that I need to get out, and but I don't want it to look, rushed. I want to take my time and make sure, because the person gave me a beautiful one too. So anyways, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful and blessed day. Bye.